Hi, I'm John from KwikStairs. I just want to show you what's in a bullnose kit. So you've got a curved riser, a bullnose tread. There's no groove in it because it will do a left hand or right hand. You'll get a stub newel post which has got a hole in the top, so you can put an extension on it which would sit somewhere like that. And you get a few cleats so you can screw and glue it together. Glue's included, screws, and a set of instructions to tell you how to do it. That all comes in the one kit. I want to show you the bullnose fitted onto a KwikStairs. As you can see, it looks a lot nicer, and the trip hazard of the string projecting, so it makes the visual length of your stairs shorter. It brings the handrail one tread back, so it makes it shorter, just opens up the space at the bottom. And then the stub newel post that comes with it has the hole in the top, which is ready to fit your newel post extension that you already have, and that simply just fits in the top.